Even I have given one problem asking to find out work done by giving a force which is nothing but a vector in xy plane, and a curve is given x square plus y square equal to 4. Always you remember that whenever you are doing work done or line integral, everything should be converted into single variable. For that you are using with the help of your curve equation. So your point is not given, only the equation is there, x square plus y square equal to 4. In order to get into single variable, the ultimate chance is the given variables you are converting into polar coordinates. Polar coordinates in the sense you are converting into trigonometric terms. X equal to, I have taken 2 cos theta and y equal to 2 sin theta. This is only because of x square plus y square equal to 4. So by using that dx and dy, directly you are substituting in f bar dot dr bar, and on making the simplification you will get in terms of theta. When you are converting into polar coordinates, remember that theta value always taken as from 0 to 2 pi. The reason is x square plus y square, it is looking like r square, which is nothing but a circle with the radius r. So based on that condition, circle angle is nothing but only 360 degrees. That's why it is theta value 0 to 2 pi, and on making the simplification you are getting the answer is 8 pi. So similarly I have given one more problem is homework, same vector function and the equation is different, x square plus y square equal to 9. There you are supposing x equal to 3 cos theta, y equal to 3 sin theta, and on making the simplification you will get the last answer is 18 pi. I think majority of the candidates they got the answer. Okay. ఏం టెన్షన్ పడకండి, అంటే ఇక్కడ నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టదలుచుకోలేదు. యాక్చువల్లీ టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ యువర్ న్యూ టాపిక్, బట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు స్ట్రెస్ ఆన్ యువర్ సైడ్. సో జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ one similar type of problem so that you can give me the answer. It is your chance, you try to complete the problem and you give us the final answer. So write down the problem. It is find the circulation. Find the circulation. So the meaning of circulation, it is also called as work done. Nothing to worry. Circulation or work done is one and the same of f bar equal to here it is given 2x minus y plus 2z of I plus x plus y minus z of j plus continuation, it is 3x minus 2y minus 5z of k. So they have given that is the vector along the circle. So this was given in the previous examination paper, along the circle. So they have given the circle equation x square plus y square, that is equal to 4 in xy plane. So clearly they are mentioning the plane also. So using that xy plane you are going to calculate circulation, that is also called as work done. It is also called as line integral. So can you find out this similar type of your last class problem? Vector is given and one curve equation. Curve is nothing but here circle equation is given. So in order to convert into single variable, the same procedure you are converting into polar coordinates, and can you give us the answer? What should be the x value while converting into polar coordinates? X equal to
2 cos theta.
Right, 2 cos theta, and y equal to 2 sin theta.
2 sin theta.
Right, you apply that one, and in xy plane remember that z value is taken as 0. Can you find out the answer?
Okay, sir.
So I give you almost 5 minutes time so that you can complete it. You start with your arrow r bar, which is nothing but a positional vector. Always it is xi plus yj plus zk, and for this dr bar is taken as it is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. And once dr bar is there, so you are calculating in order to enter into line integral f bar dot dr bar, directly f bar multiplied by dot product with dr bar. So direct answer, it is 2x minus y plus 2z I to I multiplication. So it is dx plus x plus y minus z of dy plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z of dz. This is f bar dot dr bar. But since it is involving three variables x, y, z, but before entering into the circle equation in xy plane, so but in xy plane, generally in xy plane, z value is taken as 0. That indicates dz is also equal to 0. So that clue you are substituting here f bar dot dr bar. Suppose instead of giving xy plane, they have given yz plane. What will be the answer? 0. yz plane అంటే ఆన్సర్ దేనికి 0 అవుతుందమ్మ? x వాల్యూ 0. రైట్. ఏం అడుగుతున్నారో చూసేసి దాన్ని బట్టి రాస్తారు. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ వాల్యూ 2x minus y, that z value becomes 0. It is of dx plus x plus y, z value 0 of dy, and the remaining entire term is equal to 0. So after getting that one, same as it is, in order to get your single variable, so given, so it is x square plus y square equal to 4. So this you are converting into polar coordinates. So that is our main intention, to convert into single variable. So in order to get that one, I am just supposing that let x equal to 2 cos theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta, such that what about the dx value now? Dx becomes minus 2 sin theta d theta, and dy, it is nothing but 2 cos theta d theta. So these values you are substituting in f bar dot dr bar. So direct answer 2 into x, directly 4 cos theta minus y 2 sin theta, it is of dx. So minus 2 sin theta d theta plus x plus y, it is 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta x plus y of dy. Dy means it is 2 cos theta d theta. So first you make the simplification of that. It is equal to, direct I am taking multiplication and d theta I am taking common. So minus 8 sin theta cos theta, the first one, and plus 4 sin square theta. Coming to the second one, plus 4 cos square theta and plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Overall it is nothing but d theta. So you can write down the cancellation terms and other things. So minus 8 sin theta cos theta, it is on cancellation, you are getting minus 4 sin theta cos theta, and that 4 sin square theta cos plus 4 cos square theta, if I take 4 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So it is of d theta. And similarly, now you can take that 4 is common, so that you are getting the answer 1 minus sin theta cos theta of d theta. So this you can also write for 1 minus sin 2 theta, that you can write sin 2 theta by 2. The reason is 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. This is of d theta. So everything is converted into single variable. So the integral over c f bar dot dr bar, this is nothing but integral, it is 4 into 1 minus sin 2 theta divided by 2. This is of d theta. Here you should write theta limits only for 0 to 2 pi. So just you make the simplification. and you will get the answer. దాన్ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసేసి దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసేయడం. ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ వస్తున్నట్టున్నదమ్మా. Same problem. Okay, almost same problem they have given. Okay, done. Similarly, you can సో దానికి టెన్షన్ ఏం లేదమ్మా, అదే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, వాళ్ళు వేరే ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చారని అనుకున్నాం కానీ నథింగ్ టు వర్క్. సో ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది మీకు? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫైనల్? రైట్. ఓకే, డన్. కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇది చూడండి. సో f bar, if f bar is there, that is equal to, it is x square plus y square of I 2xy of j, then find integral over c f bar dot dr bar, f bar dot dr bar, where c is the rectangle, c is the rectangle in xy plane, bounded by y equal to 0, y equal to b, x equal to 0, x equal to a. So this is also similar to your last class problem here. So you need to construct the rectangle in xy plane, and by that you can calculate your single integral. So rectangle, again it is going to have 4 sides. So along the 4 sides you need to calculate the line integral, same. So I just give you the construction of rectangle. So just you are constructing here. So this, so the points I am just locating here. So what are the y values now they are giving here? The y values, they mentioned it as 0, b, and like that. So this is your origin, y equal to 0 and y equal to b, somewhere you are locating here. This is y equal to b, and x equal to 0, again here it is same at origin, and x equal to a, here it is mentioned. So x equal to a, somewhere you are just supposing here it is. So y value 0 to y value b, this is one line, and x equal to 0 to x equal to a. So totally you are constructing one rectangle like this. So you just denote with, this is your origin, this is your a, here it is b, and this is nothing but c. So our main problem is you need to identify that values. So coordinate, O means it is 0, 0 only. A, it is on x axis. So first you should write x value and y value is 0. And at b, x value is a and y value is b. And at c, that x value is taken as 0 and y value is b. So these are the different points corresponding to the rectangle. So as per your last class, directly I can write here integral over c, it is f bar dot dr bar. This is exactly equal to, it is the combination of, again it is 4 lines. So what are the 4 lines here? One is OA, plus another is AB, plus another is BC, plus another is CO. So you write down first 1 by 1 integral and find out the answer, and finally club all the values, you will get the value. ఒకసారి చేసి చూడండి అమ్మా. సేమ్ మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఒకటి చేసాం చూడండి. స్క్వేర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేసి ఎలా అయితే చేసామో ఆ మోడల్లో చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చారు, అక్కడ మాత్రం రెక్టాంగిల్ అని చెప్పేసి దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ద పాయింట్స్. సో ఎలాంగ్ ద లైన్ అని చెప్పేసి ఒకటి తీసుకోండి, దాంట్లో కాన్స్టెంట్ ఏముందో చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఓఏ. So in OA the y value is 0 in 2 points here it is. So y equal to 0 means dy is taken as 0. So x is changing from 0 to a, so that you can calculate OA integral. Similarly AB integral, x value is a, it is constant term, so that dx is 0, y is changing from 0 to b. Similarly you calculate for BC and CO also. చేయండి అమ్మా, కొంత తక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ 12 members. యూ జస్ట్ గివ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్.
Voice is not audible, sir.
వాయిస్ రావట్లేదమ్మా.
Stuck అవుతుంది సార్ మధ్యలో.
ఓకే. I think now it is okay. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
సేమ్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో టైప్లో చేయండి అమ్మా. I just give you the last answer also. So you should get the final answer minus 2ab square. అదే వస్తుందో చూడండి ఒకసారి.
Sir, a differentiation a constant గా తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
అవునా. మీరు ఏదైతే లైన్ తీసుకుంటున్నారో ఆ లైన్ మీద కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఏదైతే కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంటుందో దాన్ని కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఫస్ట్ తీసుకోండి. సపోజ్ ఓఏ తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, y వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0, సో దట్ dy ఈక్వల్ టు 0. అట్లాగే ఏబి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఏముందంటే ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి x ఈక్వల్ టు a, సో దట్ dx ఈక్వల్ టు 0. బీసీ తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, సో along the line BC y ఈక్వల్ టు b, సో దట్ dy ఈక్వల్ టు 0. అట్లాగే CO తీసుకున్నప్పుడు x వాల్యూ 0. మీరు ఏ లైన్ తీసుకుంటే దాని మీద ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంటుందో చూడండి. ఎన్ని ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ అయిపోయామో? హ్యావ్ యూ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ ఓఏ, ఏబి, బిసి అండ్ సిఓ? What is your answer for OA? Two not two is a mic problem ఉన్నట్టున్నదమ్మా.
A cube by 3, sir.
Okay. Similarly, AB?
Sir, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Sir, completed, sir.
Have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Minus 2ab square. Only the thing is, when you are taking a line, in that you identify the constant coordinate, so that dx or dy equal to 0. Then directly you make the simplification of f bar dot dr bar and do the integration along the line. These are the problems which were already given in the final examination papers, previous papers. Make just idea ఉండడానికి ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ ఒకటి మనం చేసాము, బట్ దట్ ఆల్రెడీ కవర్డ్ ఇన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. మీకు కొంచెం ఐడియా వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నథింగ్ టు వరీ. Your practice makes perfect. That's it. So those who completed, you just think over the last problem on your line integral. It's a find the integral over C, some expression here it is given over, already they have mentioned x equal to a cos t, y equal to a sin t and z equal to kt, and t varies from 0 to 2 pi. ఇది కూడా మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లలో చేసాము. ఈ మోడల్లో ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళే అక్కడ సింప్లిఫై చేసి ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి అగైన్ యూ నీడ్ నాట్ స్పెసిఫై ఎనీ ఆర్ బార్ అండ్ ఎఫ్ బార్ డిఆర్ బార్, డైరెక్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిందే రాసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. సో లెట్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ సపోజింగ్ ఎఫ్ బార్ డాట్ డిఆర్ బార్, క్లియర్లీ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz. No need of writing any r bar and other things. So given what they have given, x equal to a cos t, that you need to substitute there. Y equal to a sin t. And z equal to, they have given it as kt, where k is a constant term. So this indicates dx, because you need to substitute there. Dx means a constant, cos t derivative is minus sin t dt. Similarly dy, A constant, sine derivative is cos t dt. Similarly, you can go for dz, that k constant, it is only dt. So these values you are substituting in your f bar dot dr bar. So here it is f bar dot dr bar. It is directly y into z. Y means it is a sine t. This is y, and z is kt multiplied by dx. Dx means minus a sine t dt. I am just substituting only the values here. Plus xz. X means a cos t, and z, it is kt, dy, it is a cos t dt, plus x into y. So a cos t, y means a sin t, dz, it is k dt. Now first you make the simplification of this. So it is equal to a is there. So minus a square sine square t, and what about this? What is the next value, amma? It is ఇంకా మనకు మిగిలింది అక్కడ ఇంటూ kt ఉంది. అట్లాగే coming to the next value, first one is over, plus a square cos square t, అక్కడ మళ్ళీ kt ఉంది, kt ఓవరాల్ గా dt పక్క పెట్టేస్తాను నేను, ప్లస్ a square sin t cos t. This completely you can write it as dt. ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకటి ఉంది, మర్చిపోతున్నారా చూడండి, ఏమైనా ఉందా చూడండి అక్కడ, ఏమైనా మర్చిపోయిన వాల్యూ ఉందమ్మా? ప్లస్ అక్కడ ఒకటి k ఉంది, k square sin t cos t. So from this now you are writing minus a square, so you can write it as ఏమని రాస్తారు చూడండి, if I write a square kt common, so that you are getting cos square t minus sin square t. Okay, na? Plus we have here it is ka square, ఇది sin theta cos theta type లో ఉంది, so that I can write sin 2t divided by 2. This overall is nothing but it is dt. Now is there any provision a square kt, ఏమైనా ప్రొవిజన్ ఉందమ్మా? cos square t minus sin square t ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? ఏమైనా రాయొచ్చా? cos square sin square, cos square theta minus sin square theta. If I write cos of 2 theta, how to write down cos of 2 theta? It is cos of theta plus theta. It is looking like cos of a plus b. What is cos of a plus b formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, is it not? So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this cos square t minus sin square t can be taken as cos 2t, that you can write, and plus, so plus directly you can write the remaining term, it is ka square by 2, it is sin 2t. This is of totally dt. So look at the final answer, everything now it is converted into a single variable and no need of making any simplification. Of course కావాలంటే a square కామన్ తీసేయచ్చు, So now you need to make the integration. Therefore, integral of C f bar dot dr bar, it is equal to, I am directly writing its value, a square ను k కామన్ తీస్తున్నామా పక్కకి. సో మిగతాది రాస్తున్నాను, t cos 2t మనకు అక్కడ మిగిలింది ప్లస్ a square k ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది. సో బై 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి సో 1/2 sin 2t అని రాస్తాం. ఎక్కడన్నా మిస్ అవుతున్నాయా చూడండి అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు a square k. అవును, ఇక్కడ ఒకటే వేరియబుల్ t అనేది ఉంది. వాట్ ఆర్ ద లిమిట్స్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఫర్ t? ప్రాబ్లంలో వాళ్ళు ఏమని ఇచ్చారు అంటే t ఇట్ ఈస్ వేరియింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to 2π అని అన్నారు. సో రైట్ డౌన్ దట్ వాల్యూ 0 to 2π. దర్ ఇస్ నో అదర్ ఛాన్స్. నౌ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఇది యూవి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అమ్మా, బై పార్ట్స్ అన్నట్టు. ఇది t అలాగే ఉంచుతారు. కాస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ sin 2t divided by 2 minus integral of derivative of t is nothing but 1. Integral of cos 2t is nothing but sin 2t divided by 2. This is of dt. It is the first one, uv integration, and plus 1/2 as it is. Sin integration is nothing but so minus cos 2t divided by 2. Only integration. So t limits 0 to 2π. So it is equal to a square k as it is. ఇంకొకటి సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత you need to substitute the limits. So you are getting, it is t sin 2t divided by 2 minus 1/2 constant. Sin integration is minus, means you will get plus cos 2t divided by 2, and here it is minus, that becomes cos 2t divided by 4. So t limits 0 to 2π. So when you do it simplification, this entire term and this term is cancelled here. So you are getting the remaining, it is equal to a square k. Directly I am substituting the limits. When I write t equal to 2π, so t into sin 2π means it is 4π divided by 2, and even t is also taken it as that value, it is 2π. Wherever t is there, you are writing upper limit, and no other chance. Minus lower limit is nothing but overall it is 0. So it is equal to a square k. So 2 is cancelled here, it is directly. So we have here, it is the remaining term pi into, what about sin 4π value? Sin nπ is always taken as 0. There is no other chance. The reason is sin of nπ, it is equal to 0. సో అది మొత్తానికి 0 కాబట్టి ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ మనకి ఏమొస్తుందంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఏం లేదు, మనకి ఇచ్చిన దాన్ని కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేసుకుంటూ పోతున్నారు, వేరే ఏం చేయట్లేదమ్మా.